Hello and welcome to Empire of the Ants. Just to let you know that our music can be found on Apple iTunes, Spotify, Google Play, Shazam, 8-Tracks, YouTube Music and YouTube videos. Just go to youtube.com/Empire of the Ants. We're also readily available on reverbnation.com/Empire of the Ants. And of course, on our website, empireoftheants.com. We want to hear from you, so get in touch. Tell us what you think. Do you like the music? Or do you want us to go away? Empire of the Ants, right here. Empire of the Ants. It's wicked. It should be made into a jam.
Tasty.